Let's take a look at what we recommend are the first steps that you should take as soon as Impact Focus has been installed and activated on your WordPress site. First, navigate to the Impact Focus WP Admin main menu and open the settings page. Here we have one main task to take care of, which is to assign what page on our WordPress site will be used to display the user's feedback when they have answered their daily question via email. If you haven't yet done so, go ahead and create a page on your platform that you want to use as the feedback page. If you want to, you can leave this page completely blank and unthemed, as Impact Focus will be dynamically adding the content to the feedback page based on the question that was set and what answer the user gave. If you'd like to include some content of your own onto the feedback page, then anything you add onto the page here will be displayed above what Impact Focus will dynamically generate. Back over on the settings page, with our new page selected in the drop down, we can go ahead and click save. You'll notice that here we have provided a quick access reminder of the shortcode that you can use to generate a front-end view of any of your Impact Focus campaign reports. We'll be covering this in more detail in another video.